stuck. Today, Johnny and the club. My man, how are you? Welcome back to the bushes. All right, Johnny, last time we rode together, we did that spicy one chip challenge. Right. And you about died. That was 1.8 million Scovilles. I got something that's 9 million Scovilles for you today. I feel bad for you, son. Johnny's in trouble. I don't remember if I said this in the previous video or not, but for 2020, AIM Expo will be back in Columbus, Ohio, and we'll be there again. So if you didn't make it out this year, come on out. We had a lot of fun. Whoa, come on, get out of the road, dickhead. Today's definitely hangover day. We got wild last night. I think I got us all kicked out of the local bar, like banned for a while. Whatever, happens. It's been a while since I've seen Bob. All right, let's go see Bob, get a soda, and torture Johnny. I'm scared for you, Johnny. What do we got today, Bob? We do have stuff. Our good buddy Greg, my man. MMG Garage, all right. Hot tamales. I never know if somebody actually paid for these or they just got them off the shelf and put them in there. I'll never know. All right, what do we got? Hey Sub D, just recently found your channel. Super cool to see that there's a motor vlogger that's so close to where I live. You have a new subscriber and follower. Thanks, buddy. Catch you on the streets. Nerb1 was here. All right. To Sub D, keep up the channel, mate. It's always fun. If you ever go down under, give me a buzz. I'll do that. All right, Nerb. Well, dude, I'm bummed I missed you. Maybe next time, huh? All right. Another note. Hi, Suburban Delinquent. My fiance are in town for a friend's wedding, but his brother-in-law told us we had to stop by the Trabuco General Store, see Bob. Leave a note for you. Can you give us a shout-out for Storm on your next vid? All right, Storm. This one's for you. All right, here we go. Sub D from Romero. All right. Oh, dang. Dang, I got a fat wad, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $9, dude. We're definitely gonna get some drinks on that. Thank you. And then what we got here? From Juan.
What is that?
I don't know. Oh, I think it's a Trabuco General Store gift card. For 10 bucks. Hey, all right. Thank you for everything. Bob, you're good. You know, I hadn't seen you in a little while. Do appreciate you, buddy. We get some sodas, and this will help buy our lunch, because today is going to be an expensive day for the delinquent.
I gotta obviously get the cock and bull.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. You guys have a good day.
You too.
So I brought another hot challenge to Johnny. Some of you guys really enjoyed the last one. We did that 1.8 million Scoville chip, the one chip challenge. He went ahead and beat that challenge, and that pissed me off. So went on the internet, looked for the hottest thing on the planet, and I kept coming across Satan's toe. I don't have any hopes for Johnny completing this one, which is why I brought it out. 9 million Scovilles, right? All right, back to the video. Let's torture Johnny.
Yeah, he's in trouble now.
Oh yeah, I've seen these challenges.
Yeah, this one's bad. 5 minutes. We got to get the timer out. Who's got a phone? All right, Johnny, we got 5 minutes to do this.
Okay.
Oh my God, I'm so nervous for you.
All right, ready? 3, 60, 9.5. Shoot ice! Dude, what's happening? What's happening? What are you thinking? What are you thinking about? Dude, what are you doing? Dude, you're cheating, dude. You gotta like wrap your tongue around it, dude. Oh my God. He's like getting it all around too. That's what spicy, dude.
Worse than the chip?
Not yet. It's ramping up. Oh shit, you hear that voice? It's like in the back of my throat.
Oh, dude, he's hiccuping.
It's only been 50 seconds. So fucking ridiculous. Think about it. I'm just trying to focus right now.
got the hiccups?
Yeah.
They're ramping up.
He's halfway there.
Look at his eyes.
It's like it really ramps up, dude. The first 2 minutes was like nothing. This sucks now. It's the hottest thing on the planet. I think you're doing pretty good.
Hail Satan.
40 seconds. Seconds. Alright, that's it. Time's up. He made it.
You did it,
Johnny! Oh, wait, you're Johnny.
Hey, buddy.
That's it. That's how far you made it.
Now you got chewed up and
Ew, it does look like a toe.
you got chewed up.
Oh, he's going to?
No way.
I'm gonna break a tooth.
Yeah, don't break a tooth on a toe.
It would be stuck in your mouth for like hours. What are you gonna do, dude? You gotta go jump in a mailbox or something.
Overtime?
No.
Overtime.
still
Look at him,
putting
he's
it in his mouth.
sweating, dude. Was this worse than the chip?
No.
The chip was worse?
I think so.
You did it, Johnny. You made it look easy.
Yeah.
My stomach's on fire.
I'm trying to get some turkey mashed potatoes and gravy, dude. What are you doing? You're holding us up.
Feels like there's a knife or razor blade in my stomach right now, dude.
Satan's toes
terrible.
scratching at the belly. Johnny, you passed that challenge way too easily, man. Was that chip harder?
The chip was way harder.
Really? That's 9 million Scovilles. That chip was only 1.8.
I don't really believe in the whole Scoville thing, man. Like, that chip destroyed me.
A couple of weeks ago, we were in Columbus, Ohio. We went to Bob Evans. Unfortunately, we don't have Bob Evans in California. Fortunately, we have something that might be comparable called Marie Callender's. You ever been?
Nope.
Let's go. I want some turkey gravy mashed potatoes. Yeah, dude. Someone needs to get on the Bob Evans program. Johnny's a rock star. I thought we were going to get him this time. Definitely want to give a little bit more love to those of you guys that left stuff with Bob. Appreciate that, man. Always feels good seeing the support I get from the community. This is stupid. We're doing like a mile an hour. I don't understand it. Johnny's taking us somewhere. Where are we going, Johnny? I'm stuck. I'm going to tell you a little bit about a place that we're going to today, Marie Callender's. Now, Marie Callender's is kind of an interesting story. Back in the 1930s, Marie Callender and her husband lived in a trailer park off Beach Boulevard in Huntington Beach. She used to bake pies, and then her son Don would run around on his bicycle selling them to local businesses. This went on for some time. Then sometime in 1948, her son Don took it a step further, starting a pie company called Marie Callender's, and it wasn't long after that they decided to create their own restaurants to sell their pies in. Marie Callender's isn't a family establishment anymore. I think it's been bought and sold a couple times. I know they ran into some bankruptcy issues, and I know a bunch of them closed. As of November 2018, there's 58 stores left, majority of them being in California. There's 4 in Nevada and 2 in Utah. Like I said, man, I miss Bob Evans. I'm so bummed we don't have any out here, so I think this is the next best thing. That's all I got. I'll race you. Get out of here, Prius. I still have those Prius shirts on my website. If you guys want them, spread the hate.
All right, Taco Bell. Let's eat.
Marie Callender's. What'd you think?
Tasted like Kanye West fingernails.
Yeah. What about you, Johnny?
I liked it.
You liked it? Well, you ordered right. I was trying to compare this place to Bob Evans. No comparison. I will not be back. It was horrible. I didn't like this place. I mean, I'm sure they got some shit that's probably pretty good, but I didn't find it. I won't be back. Sorry, Marie Callender's. I really, really wanted to like you.
Hey, this dude just hit me up on Instagram and he said he's going to give us free gas. He just saw us drive by. He's right there.
You can't turn down free gas, dude. It's like $5 a gallon right now. I'm in. I'm empty, too. I'll take free gas for sure. How you doing, sir? I'm hungover.
Conrad, you guys want some gas or?
Thank you, dude.
I ran into you the other day while you were driving your truck up in like Trabuco.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, man.
Definitely appreciate it.
You guys have a good one. Ride safe.
You too.
Thank you.
Oh,
Please don't stop. Please, please.
what the f? Oh, come on. Son of a bitch. Thank you, Conrad. Definitely appreciate that, buddy. Oh, this thing's awesome. MAGA juice. I love it. Oh, dang. That sucks. This guy's good. This person's. Yeah, go. F it, go. Alright, fun day as usual. Extra fun riding around with Cleb and Johnny. Too bad the food sucked. Much love to the patrons of the channel. Really need your support, and I do appreciate it. If you guys aren't aware yet, I do have a second channel. We ride dirt bikes. You recognize some of the same people on that channel on this channel, vice versa, whatever. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. Got all kinds of good stuff happening there. I have links to all the stuff that I'm using to make these videos, and a bunch of other shit you might find interesting. Please support the channel partners, law offices of Henry Haddad, Voss Helmets, Chaparral Moto, and LUIMOTO. With that, I'll catch you guys later.